Hello guys, welcome back again on my YouTube channel. So today we will learn the VLOOKUP. If you are working as a database engineer, so mostly you should know how to use VLOOKUP in Excel, and this will be very helpful if you are working on Excel sheets. So this is my one Excel sheet. So let me create some data. We will create two data sheets, then I will explain you how you can easily use VLOOKUP formula. So let me first give some headings like serial number, then name, for example name, then mobile number. In the next stage, percentage mix. Place of name we can say student name. So this is the heading. So let me format it correctly. So you can use this option like border, all border. This will now my sheet is created. Uh, this this is looking good now. So let me give serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In place of this, you can also do this like this. Just just drag and drop this. This will be also. So let me give some name like first name is Amar, second is uh, like Bolu, Molu, Sovam, like Avilash. Let me, for example, give some name, student names, Brajesh, Vallu, Meena, from Bharat. Let me save this. I will save like this, sheet 5. So let me create another file, another sheet now. I will copy the same data on this sheet. Let's say I have a mobile number, of number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Similarly, other, for example, I am just this you can format like percentage. Let's say Amar has percentage mix is 70. You can format it, apply on all the on rest of the column part. Let's say Golu have 80%, similarly 85, 75, 65, 90. 95, 65, 55, 95, and 87. So this is the sheet. So let me jump. So let me save this sheet as well in my desktop. I will give name sheet book 6. So right now I'm at book 5 sheet. So for example, you don't have percentage marks of these student name and you want to know and you want to copy the percentage marks of these students from another sheet. So the first option you have like this, you can check all the sheet like this. You will open this sheet and will copy paste one by one. For example, Amar have 65, so you will type here like 70, then percentage. So this will be a lot of hurdle and it will take more time. For example, let's say you have just 10 number of students right now. Let's say you have 100 students, 1000 student data. So how you do that? So that will be very problematic for you. So in this case, VLOOKUP will be a very helpful formula. You can easily copy paste without any errors. So let me show you. You just simply type percentage. First, you need to remember where you want to fetch the data. Let's say I want percentage marks for these students. So in front of this, I will type percentage V lookup. This you can select. So the first is lookup value, what you are looking. So I am looking for Amar. Then table array. Table array means from where in which table you want to look. So I will select my table where my data is present. So my data is present in book 6. So here you need to remember. So you have to select this all table first, but your while selecting this data sheet, your first column should be the same. Means your looking value, like I'm looking for the names percentage against the name. So your first looking value should be column should be the name, but not the serial number. So if you select the serial number, so this will be a wrong. So I will first select the column of a student name, then I will drag and drop this. Just simply press shift, then left, and I will select this until my percentage column. Then I will press comma, and then the next option is range lookup. Again, now let's move to the sheet where I want to fetch the values. So now let me jump again on the same sheet. So here you can count like column 1, 2, 3. So I want the value of column number 3 in my that sheet. So I will press 3. Then this is here you have two options. True for approximate match and the false is for exact match. Either you can place You can type true, or you can also type 1, or you can press 0 as well. So for true false, you can also type 0 and 1. So here I am pressing like 1 for exact. Then bracket close and will hit enter. So as you can see, percentage marks of Amar is now has been copied. So the same formula I will apply it on my rest of the rows. So I will copy this, just press Ctrl C and then select the rest of the blanks uh, part of the columns. Just drag and drop and press Ctrl D. So here this will, as you can see, all the percentage value has been copied. So let me match whether it is copied perfectly or not. Amar have 70%, yes. Book 6, yes. That's 70%. Bolu have 55%. Sorry, it's my bad. Here you need to uh, type the 0 in place of, because as you can see, it's my fault. Like, since I selected 1, so it will approximate. So since I want exact match, so you need to type here 0. So 0 will be for exact match. So once I then apply the formula, Control D. So now it's perfect. You can match Amar 70. Yes, correct. Olu 80%. Yes, Olu 80%. Bridges have 65%. So let me check this book 6. Yes, Bridges have this 65%. In similar way, you can check. So now let me copy the mobile number. So similarly, we look up, just select the name of the student, jump on that seat, then select. Now since I already copied the percentage marks, so no need to select that part of that seat. So you just have to select until the mobile number. So here we have two columns. First is student, second is mobile. So just type comma. Then since I want the value of column 2, I will type 2, and since I mentioned true, that means 1 for approximate, false exact match. That means 0, 0 for exact match, false. So I will select 0, that means false exact match. So then bracket close and hit enter. Now I have to copy and apply this formula to my rest of the students column. So I will Control C, then select the rest of the area, then Control D. So now let me check randomly. Let's say I want to check Avila's phone number. So let me jump on that particular sheet. Avila's mobile number is 1566 555. So let me check that sheet. Yes, 1566. Similarly, let me check another double loop. 45968547. This is 459685. So friends, as you can see, this is the very helpful formula if you are working on the Excel sheet, and you can easily copy multiple data from one sheet to another. If you have any further doubts on this VLOOKUP formula, so you can comment me and you can ask the question in the comments. So I will definitely reply and will give my suggestions and answer on your feedback. Thanks for watching.